Why actors take Monday off. Monday is the day when an actor does not perform. And this is not just a tradition, it is a deeply rooted ritual rule, going back to ancient lunar cycles in mythology. Monday in English, mandag in Norwegian Bokmål, mandag in Swedish, and maanantai in Finnish. All of these words come from the date of the moon. In Germanic-Scandinavian mythology, this is the day of Máni, the god of the moon. The moon is not about action, it is about reflection, transition, and sleep. After weekend performances, the actor needs to return to his own night. Monday is his night. After weekend shows, the actor carries another's life in his body. On Monday, he must remove the mask and avoid entering any role, otherwise fusion occurs, and the personality begins to break apart. This is not rest, but a ritual exit from the role. In the theatrical guilds of Europe, Monday was a day of silence, remembrance, and stillness. It was called Maantai dies mutus, the day when one speaks neither from oneself nor from another. The actor speaks for another. On Monday, he is forbidden to speak at all. In many cultures, Monday was a day of sacrifices, for example the lamb, a symbol of beginnings. Ladder masks and play were seen as profane on this day. Monday, maanantai, mandag, the day of the moon, the day of women, the day of water, the day the role dies. It is not for performance, but for the return of the spirit. Actors are not idle on Monday, they wait for the soul to catch up with the body.